Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to change Bluehost dashboard language. Just tap on the Safari browser and log into your account, purchase the plan, and if you want to buy a premium of subscription of Bluehost, please go to the link in description. You will get a referral code for discount. So here you will see the settings. So just tap on the language settings and select the language you want to in translate, like French, Spanish, and what you want to language you will see in this website whole. So you can change it very easily. It's very easy and simple. So this is the basic settings. In every app you want to change your language, so it's very easy. So the only WordPress platform you'll ever need. So guide to WordPress settings. Hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.